Here are some tips on how to fix your posture permanently. Be aware of your posture throughout the day, just like you're paying attention to it now. The first step to fixing your posture is to become aware of it. How are you sitting right at this moment? Are you leaning one way, the other way? Pay attention to how you're sitting, standing, and walking through the day. If you catch yourself slouching, remind yourself to sit up straight. Strengthen your core muscles. Your core muscles are responsible for keeping your spine in alignment. If your core muscles are weak, it's more likely that you'll slouch. There are many exercises that you can do to strengthen your core muscles, often in a work chair, such as crunches, planks, and sit-ups. You don't necessarily have to get on the ground, just lift your legs right where you are. Use your belly. Here's another one. Stretch your chest and your shoulder muscles. Tight chest and shoulder muscles can contribute to rounded shoulders and even poorer posture. Stretching these muscles can help to improve your posture. There are many different stretches that you can do for your chest and shoulder muscles. One of our favorites is lean into a doorway and put your arm up at a 90-degree angle, bracing it against the door, and then just lean into your arm. You'll probably feel it right around your solar plexus, right over your main pectoral muscles. And here's another tip for you. Use a posture corrector. A posture corrector is a device that can help your spine in alignment. Posture correctors can be as cheap as $25 and can be helpful for people who have difficulty maintaining good posture on their own. Get regular chiropractic adjustments. Chiropractic adjustments can help improve your posture by realigning your spine. If you have a lot of pain or stiffness in your back, chiropractic adjustments can be very helpful. It's important to be patient and consistent when trying to fix your posture, both with yourself and with stretching your back out. It may in fact take some time to see results, but with regular effort, you can improve your posture and reduce your risk of pain and injury. Here's some also additional tips that can help you improve your posture. It's like a bonus. Get enough sleep. When you're sleep deprived, you love sleep, right? Know that your muscles are more likely to be weak and fatigued, which can lead to poor posture. Eat healthy. As a diet, eating a healthy diet can help you improve your overall health and well-being, including your posture, believe it or not. Bonus tip number 3, exercise regularly. Exercise helps to strengthen your muscles and improve your flexibility, both of which can help improve your posture. Avoid sitting for long periods of time. This one is a killer for those of us who work in an office. If you must sit for long periods of time, get up and move around every 20 to 30 minutes. Even just little breaks can help out a bunch. And speaking of breaks from your chair, take breaks from looking at screens. When you look at a screen for a long period of time, you tend to hunch over. Take breaks from looking at screens every 20 to 30 minutes as well to stretch and move around. Look at something far away, up close. It'll help your eyeballs too. By following these tips, you can improve your posture and at the same time reduce your risk of pain and injury.